Okay, I got this battery for my jet ski, 2009 Yamaha VX Cruiser, and the guy says, oh yeah, it's charged and ready to go. Well, he didn't know. Okay, when you get this, you'll have to add the acid by yourself, and you have to add it in these little holes here. Now, it comes with instructions in English and Spanish, and you have to read the instructions exactly several times. Make sure you get it right. You do this and add that little hose and fill it in like that, and then after a while you go and charge it and so on, and it gives you a little chart here and it gives you installation and stuff. So just make sure that you know when you pick up a battery from Walmart or probably a lot of places that you will have to add the acid yourself and then charge it. Add to the level. I accidentally got some of the acid on me, on my hands and on my wound. It hurt a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. I washed it off with water. I wash and clean everything. So anyway, you have to add acid yourself. Alright.